Well. Well. Looks like some of the victims are never getting away from me. These victims start to piss me off, all thanks to these people. But now, I am back again as Windows Ivan Louie Animate Edition. AKA Ivan Louie Animate OS 2026 Edition.
Oh no. Now, I'm getting screwed.